Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here. This is the final day of our project in Prairie Village. This is a stone foundation renovation project where we have completely remortared from top to bottom, corner to corner, throughout this basement, the little entryway stairwell, and here in the closet with our King Piers blend of high strength concrete mortar. And now here in just a few minutes our crew will return. We'll get the floor cleaned up, and we will start applying the final coat of gray waterproofing paint to the floor in the basement, the closet floor, and then the floor in this area. Yeah, everything looks great. We were able to get the walls fully painted on Saturday. There's still a couple spots in the corners that we're going to touch up. Just with all this rain, the ground is just saturated with water, so there's a couple spots where that water just kept coming in from the outside, but should be dry enough to get everything finished up today. So everything is coming right along. Should have everything finished up by noon, so we will try to get some good pictures of the floor once everything's done. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.